What is nothing? Everything. Because what number can we really live with when it comes to accidents? When it comes to emissions? When it comes to lives lost? 0. It holds the value of life. It is about drivers, about pedestrians, about cyclists, about all of us. It's about moving our world safely. It's about taking care of our planet, about tackling climate change. But it's not just about us living today. It's also about them, our future generations. Towards 0, because there is no other acceptable number.